Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here, and we have got another hashtag jankassstinsweek. So let's get the jankass tin out the way. Let's show the jankass tin. I'm not going to close it because it's a bitch to open back up when I do. But here's the inside. You'll see the inside jankass tin, the film canister. Look at all the rust. Now I do appreciate this jankass tin because I want to try the formula, because our boy due to shaving, Junior Gonzalez, is all about the old school formula. And I bugged everybody I knew that had one, and like no one was selling me one. And then Ray Pope decided to send it to me. So thank you, Ray Pope, if you're watching. And it's Cavendish. This is Shady's Goat tobacco scent. Not his Goat PAA, I think. I think it is his Goat tobacco scent. And if you do not know, Cavendish is a type of pipe tobacco. So I do have the current Aftershave splash. Let's see if I've taken, yeah, we have used it. All right, let's get to it. So we are using the old Century set and rubber sterilized. This one had a new knot put in by J.R. Reyes, and here is the soap that was in the film canister. So what we're doing, so I just pull it out and I just load from the puck, right? And then I let it dry. So we're just loading and loading and loading. Now this can have the tendency, now I let this brush soak a really long time. And I've only used this base once, but I do feel like this is in the spirit of jankassstinsweek. This is, I didn't mention this last time, but DK started this. Because, you know, really just to poke at CDB a little. But it's been fun. It's been entertaining in my opinion. And we rarely use tins in this hobby. There are not many of us that use artisans that still predominantly only put their stuff in tins. And here's a little segue for you. I am going to be doing a giveaway. Because our boy Jeremy, not because, but the segue is our boy Jeremy Tyler, he loves some WSP, and they come in some Jankass tins. So I hope we get a Jankass tin shave out of our boy Jeremy Tyler, traveling shaver. So he's going to be doing some kind of giveaway on his channel. I kind of missed. I think he was throwing out ideas. I'm at work, so I listen, and sometimes I miss some stuff. But I did watch his video, or listen to his video today, and I picked up that much. So I would like if people went over, subscribe to Jeremy Tyler, and there will be a giveaway involved for my channel. I've been growing a little. I haven't done giveaways for a while, and I'll close this October 21st. Okay, October 20th. I will do the video announcing the winner October 21st. And sorry, we're still messing with it because we're just going to rinse it off now. So it's kind of like a glycerin base. It's almost see-through. And just so y'all know how big it is, here's my captain's choice. Here's the puck. Will not fit. Because I thought about, you know, blooming it a little and going that route. Sorry, I'm a little off topic again already. But anyways, go to Jeremy Tyler and subscribe. The Traveling Shaver, JT, the Shavette Sultan. And you subscribe and put hashtag Shavette Sultan. That's what we'll do. Hashtag Shavette Sultan in his comments. I will link the video below. Don't put hashtag Shavette Sultan in my comments. Do it on his video that I'm linking below. That is how you will win. That's how you'll enter to win. Like I said, I'll put it up down here. It's a hard hashtag, I'm sorry, but he is the Shavette Sultan. Hashtag Shavette Sultan. And we'll be giving away the A&E K2E formula Endo Ink. This was sent to me by Peter. I haven't used it. I wanted to keep it for myself, but Peter's been generous. So I figured I would just pay it forward. And It's a nice leather scent in my opinion. There's some other stuff going on, but this is a leather I can tolerate, and I'm not a big leather guy. So if you're interested, go comment in Jeremy Tyler's video, The Traveling Shaver. It's open international. I will ship. No one will have to pay for shipping. It will be on me. Just to say thank you for all of y'all that hang around and watch. And go give Jeremy a sub. And like I said, I think he's going to be doing a giveaway of some sort soon from what I picked up. But he has got some mad shavette skills. There aren't many people, I would say, that are at his level or better. And he won't mind me saying this, the only one I would put up there in the category with him, if not better, is Dave Card. Matty Lindholm is mighty fine as well. But, you know, that's good company to be in, guys. For straight razor shaving or for shavette shaving. So we're going to see how this goes. Jankass 10 week. There's rust all over that tin. It is hard to open. That's why I haven't used it a lot. It's kind of like collectors. No, I don't have Cavendish in anything but this. And it's still banging. Like I'm smelling it the whole time. It smells good. Just so you guys know, I do have some breakout down here. I was looking. None of them are ingrown. But they are some like irritation breakout. And I'm not a big fan of face lathering with this brush. But I wanted to use it today. Since we're using Jankass 10s and going old school, this would have been a brush someone was using back then. Because people were using vintage and restoring more than there were a bunch of new brush makers. Back in 2012. Was that 9 years ago? Can y'all believe that? Phoenix Shaving's been around 9 years in some way, shape, form, or another. That's pretty awesome to me. There we go. We did shower. We're having a very nice day. I am off work tomorrow. Multiple doctor's appointments. Nothing serious. Just appointments have to get out of the way. I'm even going to the dentist tomorrow. Like I'm fitting 3 appointments in. Got to go to the bank. Got to go to the landlord. Lease time. So we're just going to try to knock it all out. I may have the day off from work. But it's going to be a busy day. This is the aluminum, what is it, AL13 from Henson with the medium aggression. And this is the purple, I believe. I can't remember what color they call it, but it looks purple to me. And we're just going light. Like I said, when I get down here, I know there's going to be some possible scalpings, but that's why we're using the very mild Henson. Well, it's not the mild plate, but it's mild. It's not their mildest version. Like right here, I may hit it, guys. Oh, that right there. And my hair tends to grow differently in some areas. I'm trying to refigure that out. I either had it wrong the whole time, or somewhere along the way it changed, or somewhere along the way I forgot. I don't know. We'll just go with it. Because I need to work on the irritation. Like, they're not ingrowns. I checked this morning, came home for lunch. Checked at lunch, you know, did the tweezing of the ears and stuff for any random hairs that may be around. And I thought I had a few down here, and it really was just gray hairs, and it wasn't even irritation. It just looked different. If we got to go back to the puck, we will. But I think there's going to be plenty of slickness, no matter how it looks. Probably would have done well if I just cut a slice off and put it in a bowl. But I mean, when you got an 8-inch puck, like, what you gonna do? You gonna fucking tub load. Now, I probably should have loaded longer with this base. I mean, it is thin, guys, but it's serviceable. All we need is slickness, and slickness is what we have. like I said, I could do a better job if I went back and loaded and stuff, but we're missing 2 pass today. I am so sorry, guys. Let me pause so I can mute that so it doesn't happen again. Sorry about that, guys. Just the way it went. There's the brush. We got suds everywhere. Did I nick myself? No, that was a dark hair. Stubble left behind. I was like, no way. This area hasn't been bad. It's just been like right through here. So. Oh man. Nice. It's just a good feeling, you know? I mean, you don't have blade feel with this razor. You can cut yourself if you're stupid. I have. When I say stupid, I mean being stupid. Not paying attention. If you got a blemish, that just happens, man. I'm talking about when you nick yourself stupidly. That's nice. But yeah. Still a good shade. Great scent. I mean, I know this is old. Original formula. This shit's old. It's strong. Still so strong. Yeah, no sound. We're good to go. I'm going to rinse up and I will be right back. And we're back, guys. Yeah, we got the shirt a little wet doing a rinse up. But, good shave. I'm happy with it. This didn't even open up. So we're good. This was a good shave. Do love this brush. It's not big. What is that? Probably 18 mil or something. Still love the brush. It's small. Not the best at face lathering. I probably should have choked up a little. But whatever. David's like, oh, you like... So Sharp David, he's probably like, oh, you like lathering with the handle. That's what he would have been telling me. And the Henson, you know, big fan, especially when I just need a smooth, no thought shave. Hit it up with the Cavendish Splash from PAA. As always, there will be links below. I'll just link the Cavendish set that's out now, and that will be under affiliate. It is the one and only affiliate I have. It does help out the channel, allows me to make new purchases. Helps out with shipping when I do giveaways, things like that. Oh, man. That is nice. Whew. I like the burn. Oh, that's a lovely scent. That's our boy Shady's goat tobacco scent. It's good. It's good. It's like a cherry. A little bit of cherry going on. It's nice. I don't know how to put it. Tobacco, Cavendish. If you smell Cavendish pipe tobacco, that is this. Alright guys, do not forget, Endo ink is available. Hashtag ShaveAtSolton down here at the bottom. Go to the link in the description to the Traveling Shavers video and put hashtag ShaveAtSolton in the comments. And everybody, have a great day. And thank you for joining me for hashtag Jankasstinsweek.